In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Squarespace tab icon, also known as a favicon, in just a few short minutes. It's a simple process that can give your website a more professional look by allowing you to customize what users see on their browser tabs. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace website. Open your preferred web browser and type in squarespace.com. Once you land on the home page, you'll want to go ahead and click on the Get Started button to access your account. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your credentials to proceed, and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard area, take a look at the lower left side of the screen. You should see an option labeled Settings. Click on this, and it will open up several new configurations that you can adjust for your site. Keep scrolling through these settings until you find an option called favicon. This is where we need to be. It's sometimes referred to as the tab icon because it's the tiny image that appears next to your page title in a browser tab. Selecting this will take you to a page dedicated to customizing your favicon. Now, this is where you can add or change your favicon. You'll see a small plus icon above the space meant for your new favicon. If you don't already have a favicon uploaded, clicking this will allow you to browse your files and select an image that you'd like to use. It's a good idea to choose something simple yet memorable, such as your logo or initials. If you already have a favicon but wish to update it, you'll see a Replace option instead. Clicking Replace allows you to swap out the current image with a new one of your choice. After you've made your selection, be sure to click Save to ensure that your changes are applied. This is crucial because, without saving, all the hard work you've just done won't appear live on your site. Finally, refresh your page to see your new favicon in action. Your updated icon should now appear in your browser tab. And there you have it. Changing your Squarespace tab icon is just that easy. It's a small adjustment that can make a big difference in your site's branding and professional appearance. Remember, a cohesive look between your site's content and its visual breadcrumbs, like the favicon, can leave a lasting impression on your visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.